Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My good name is Agribusiness, and on this channel we have fun, learn and inspire. So on today's episode I'm visiting Awiko's poultry farm here in Moroni.
Hi guys, my name is Wycliffe Ochieng, owner of Awiko Poultry Farm. Awiko Poultry Farm mainly specializes in table egg production, and we pick day-old chicks, they grow, and then we have the layers. So over here we have two houses, one for the pullet house, so for brooding house or the growing house, and then we have the main house. So we start from the growing house. The growing house or the pullet house. This is where we get the 1 day old chicks, feed them, raise them up to about 4 months of age. When they're ready, all about to start laying, and then we get them to the other side of the production house. So, welcome. Now, as you can see, we have some boxes the other side. That's where we do the brooding. It's warm enough for the chicks. You know, this breed is Isabron. You can only get 1 day old. So when they come, we brood them in those boxes. When they grow, they have the feathers is when we put them where you see them now. So these birds are 2 months old. They've been here for the last 2 months. In the next 2 months, they're moving to production house. Okay, now this is the main house. This is where we get the eggs now. So in this house, we have 3 rooms where we do the daily recordings. We have the store, and then we have the production set for where we get the eggs or where the birds are. So maybe let's start from the office. This is the office, as you can see, Awiko Poultry Farm. Back on my seat. Small office, a farm office. So this is where we do the recordings, the daily recordings. When we have visitors, this is where we meet the visitors to discuss poultry, to learn more about poultry, and then we do poultry together. And then the next over here is the store. This is where we keep the feeds and maybe eggs. But since eggs is in high demand, we don't have any eggs here. Customers booked eggs. They are leaving today. Back in 2017, that's 5 years down the line. Yep.
So you started with how many chicks?
I started with 300 birds, and the house has a capacity of 1,000 birds. So currently, because I was doing some culling, right, that's why you see some spaces are empty. We have 400 in here that are laying, and then we have 300 that are coming to lay. So that is 700 in total. This is one of the systems in poultry production. We have better cage, we have a deep feeder system, and then we also have the rest floor or a well mesh floor. Now, I use better system because it's very easy to manage, to maintain, and to clean. So we do the feeding twice a day, 6 in the morning and at 2 midday, and then the watering, the tanks are always full. So what we do is maybe to show you how to do the feeding. This is the feeds. This is one of the red feeds. So with the feeding, I do the feeds on the traps. That is, I do it twice a day, and then when I fill the water tank, they drink, getting water. That's what they drink from, and it's enough for all 3 in the box. Mostly we do the eggs. We pick the eggs once in a day so that we have good records of the laying birds. As you can see, the cage system, the eggs are very clean. There's no dirt in the eggs. With a good feeding, a good shaped eggs, the customers are best. Now, in this house, how we do the cleaning, as you can see in the floor, is pulled after every 3 days and then replaced with another one. So it's easier to clean the house with this because hygiene is very important. It's early in the morning. When you come later in the day, you find the eggs are lying over here. And I get about 10 crates of eggs in a day. Out of 300, that is 80% production. These birds are of different ages. This age is a little bit older than this one. We do what we call staggered production. Maybe to talk about the market. Currently, we know the scarcity of eggs in the market, so the demand for eggs is so high. Like you can't get stuck with the products. The market is everywhere. For me, I start with the local markets and the consumers. They all take everything. But during the times when we have the egg floods in the market, what we do is we maintain our customers. So the best way to be in market is to stick to your customer. Make sure that your customer has your products all the time. So it helps when the market is flooded. For you, it becomes safe. So the best way to deal with the market challenges is to have your customers know them, let them know you very well, and then you can work together. Be it during low seasons or the high seasons or the peak periods. With the 400 watts, everybody consumes like around 130 grams per day. So that adds to around 48 kilos in a day. That's around 3,000. So with 80% production, we make enough profit to keep us going. A tray of an egg at family price is 400 shillings. But when it's delivered to you, we do a customer agreement where you pay for the transport cost and then you get your eggs delivered. But mostly it's a family price of 400 shillings. Sometimes it goes to 450. And then for consumers, we sell one egg because we must also embrace the local consumers to eat eggs at 15 shillings.
Okay. So like in a day you make how much?
Because we sell everything in a day, you make like about with the number like about 1,500 a day.
How much?
Like 1,500. Yeah, for profits. The system that we are using is very simple. It's something that you can manage just one person, but because of efficiency and cleaning, we have casual-based employees.
Okay.
They only come when we do cleaning or any other thing that requires more than one person. But we have employees which we contract when we have job to be done. Yeah. Yes. Anything that has advantages must have disadvantages.
Yeah.
So like the challenges. Poultry production has challenges. One, the challenge may become about the diseases. So your flock can get spread out. But what we do or to manage that, we ensure that we do the vaccinations on time, so that every vaccine is administered, so that when the disease outbreak comes, we are safe. We also maintain hygiene in the house, so that we don't get bacterial-caused diseases. So the major challenge in poultry production management is the diseases. Once that one is covered well, you're good to go. But I advise poultry keepers to make sure that you follow the vaccination routine and also make sure that the house is hygiene. Another challenge is the market. Know your market. When you produce in isolation, where you just produce without doing the market research, you'll end up having a market challenge. So as you produce, make sure you know where you're going to sell. And market is the customers, the wholesalers, the retailers. You get to know them, let them know you. For consistency and for you to be in the market for a long time. So the challenges in poultry can be managed. Thank you for visiting our poultry farm. Irene Kabunde. Nice to meet you. Thanks for empowering young people. Thanks for empowering people to get into agribusiness. Agribusiness is the way to go. Right now, to curb the unemployment rate, let people get into agribusiness. It doesn't matter which form. It can be poultry, it can be horticulture, it can be any other form of agribusiness, but with the determination, this is where wealth is created. Let's create wealth, let's work for ourselves, let's create employment, let's ensure that there's food security in the country. When you're done with school, get into agribusiness. It's not a dirty man's or a low-educated person's job. Personally, I'm a graduate from KU with Become Finance, but I do agribusiness and I love it. I'm enjoying it. I'm so flexible. I can walk around and see what someone is doing. I can improve on my farm. I can also mentor other people to do that. So let's embrace food production.
How can we reach you?
You can reach me on my mobile. My telephone is 0703 548381. You can reach me on Facebook, Awiko Poultry Farm. You can reach me on my email, that is awikoeggs@gmail.com. You can reach me on Google, Awiko Poultry Farm. What else? As well as YouTube. Let's connect, let's network, let's embrace food production through agribusiness. Thank you so much, Irene Kabunde, for getting this chance so that we let people know whatever we're doing, and then people can learn and then grow their businesses.
Thank you so much, Awiko, for letting us into your farm, and we appreciate it. So, if you want to find Awiko, he's on social media, Awiko Eggs, all over. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to share and comment to let me know what you think about this video.